What's going on, everybody? Today I got behind me a 2004 Toyota Tundra, and today we are going to replace the axle shaft on the driver's side. We're going to do the axle shaft, we're going to do the bearings, we're going to do the seals, the whole bit. It requires kind of a press kind of deal. We have a press over here that we're going to use, and then since we don't have to save this axle, we can just cut the old stuff off. So anyway, we're going to get going on this. We also have a little bit of welding to do on the fuel tank strap we're going to take a look at. But we're going to go ahead and get into it right now. All right, so first thing we're going to do, we're going to take the wheel off here. And then in the back, we're going to have to pull, there's 4 bolts off to hold the axle on. The light's kind of reflecting, but there's 4 bolts. The whole axle will come out with the bearing, with the brakes, shoes, and all that stuff will come all out. And there's a seal in there. And then we'll have to pull the brake cables off right here for the emergency brake. And then up here, we've got the regular brake fluid pipe that's going to come off right there. And then a wheel speed sensor is going to come off right there. And this whole thing will slide on out. And we'll show you guys how it goes. And then we're going to have to pull the bearings and everything like that. So here we go. Okay, got the wheel off here. We got the e-brake cable off here. All that is just a pin, cotter pin, easy peasy. The next thing is your wheel speed sensor right here. This little clip, you just push it in and pull it out, easy peasy. And then we'll pull this brake line off right here. And then we'll pull, there's 4 bolts that go around it, 2 that side, 2 on this side, and then we'll be able to pull this whole thing out of here. All right. Okay, so we got the brake line. Ooh, camera. Brake line's off. Sensor's out. Only thing left holding anything in are these 4 bolts. We're gonna pull those off and tap this thing out. It should come right off. At least they're breaking loose easy. That's nice. Oh yeah. Just like that. All right, this is what we got going on. We got the axle out of here. Next step is we need to get this whole brake housing off of here. In order to do that, we're gonna need to cut this metal piece out right here, this bearing. And then to do that, we're gonna take this die grinder. We're gonna cut right here. I don't care about this axle shaft since we got a new one of these. But what I do care about is this tone ring right here. This wheel right here is the teeth for the sensor that's on the axle that detects your wheel speed. So I don't want to nick that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be really, really careful, cut and grind on that, make a slot in it. Once I do that, then I'm going to take this chisel and spread it out. What the goal is here is to spread this piece out and widen it. That way we can pull it off the shaft, and then we can pull the rest of the stuff off. There we go. And we gouged it a little bit, but this part here is what we're after. That's where the sensor rides, and that's all still clean. So this little bit of gouging here, I'm okay with that. In a perfect world, we just replace this, but we're saving on it today. So. Ow. Oh, it broke. That's even better.
Yeah, I'll take that.
Yeah. Good job.
Right there.
Yeah, right? There it goes. There you go. Good Lord, you see how much is moved?
Yeah.
It's right there. There we go. Yeah, piece of cake.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was easy.
Really easy.
Okay. So now the only thing left is get the bearing and this little seal out. We got this seal.
Oh, I remember from the video this plate right here. You gotta knock those the studs.
Oh, you
out
gotta save
to save that plate.
Okay. Oh. Where's the new one? Oh, we gotta reuse the studs.
Yeah, we got new studs.
Oh, we got new studs. Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay, good progress has been made. Got the old bearing out. That came out really easy. That's so far the easiest thing we've done on this. Then this rubber seal that goes on this side popped right out. No problem. Now, this is the only thing that we're saving from the whole assembly. So everything is going to go basically in reverse order. Put the new bearing in here, put the rubber seal in, put the new, not that one, that one back in. All the new bearing assemblies back in there, the new tooth wheel, and then we'll shove this thing into the axle. Okay, so they probably make a tool for this. Here it is. Oh, no, that's not it either. That's not going to work. We're going to find a smaller piece of wood or something to pound this down. Found something. The old bearing. You know what's great about this? It just so happens to be the same diameter. And then a block of wood. And then we can pound it down like that.
Get it set.
Yep.
Okay. Done.
We did it! Got the bearing in. Rubber seal in. Now we can slide the shaft back through it. Got the new shaft. Plate. Gasket. We're gonna slide that over. Line the holes up. Like so. And then we're gonna drop the studs through. Just getting it started, got a long way to go. Oh yeah, it's going really nice. All right, that's good there. So here at Chris Peters DIY, we like to cheat. So we got this pipe that just so happens to be the right diameter of this to press this on, and all we're doing is using it kind of like a slide hammer. And we're just gonna keep doing that until it's all the way down, and then we can put the snap ring on. You guys see what I'm talking about here? If we didn't have this pipe, we'd figure out something to do with that press to press it on here. But we have a pipe, so we're gonna go the easy way. Okay, got it on. Next thing, you guys see that little tiny groove right there? That's where the snap ring goes. So now we're just gonna gently, sort of gently, slide that snap ring on there. I can't believe it. Toyota, if you're listening, this is a galvanized, what is that, inch and a quarter?
Inch and a quarter, half.
This is your special tool. Get yourself a pipe that fits this. It's a multi-purpose tool. See, what happens is you slam it down, pound that bearing on there. It's a slide hammer, and it's an installation tool. See that snap ring? Fit that snap ring over the top like that. Put your Toyota genuine installation tool on it. Slide it down. Boom. Snap ring is installed. We got everything in place. Back the way it was. That pipe worked wonders. Everything's back installed. Everything's tight. Everything spins really nice. So the next step after this is we're gonna pull the seal out of the axle. That's coming out of there. We're gonna install this one in there. We have a couple welding projects to do. That strap's not supposed to be there. You guys don't need to worry about that. That's just a welding tank strap on. And then we'll install the whole axle assembly back into place, bolt everything back up, connect all the lines, and then this project will be finished. All right, got that old seal out, new seal in, bearing and seal installer. There we go. Yeah, like that. Flush. That's weird. Why am I getting springy? There it goes. E-brakes on that side. Boom. Is this on? Oh shoot. I've been recording this whole time. Alright guys, well my GoPro died. We finished the project. The axle went in pretty easy. We bled the brakes. We test drove it. Everything went really well. That galvanized pipe saved the day. It really did. Otherwise we'd have to figure out something on the press or whatever. But hey, if you stuck around this long, you're better than most. So thank you guys for sticking around. If you like what I do on this channel, if you keep wanting to see this kind of content, please subscribe, hit that like button, comment below. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one.